earthing and connecting to nature is wonderful. Getting really healthy with your boundaries and who you spend your time with, because having that beautiful connection with a community that you thrive in is super important. So there's just so many components, and I love James Clear's Atomic Habits. If you just get 1% better each and every day, it compounds on itself. And then you can find at the end of the year, you're 37 times better in the direction of your goals, hopes, and dreams. So just whatever you're doing, make sure that it's something that has a proven track record for awesome outcomes. And then just little fine tuning here and there. And life can get a lot more enjoyable.